Welcome back. Now I'm going to teach you how to draw a giraffe. So first you start high in the sky and do tiny and then you come down a bit and then your giraffe's head is made. Eyes, mouth, and then a long neck, a stripe, and then the body. And then you do the legs, and this is how you do the feet. It's tricky. Again, the same as with the gazelle. And I forgot to say other things. Giraffes don't actually run faster than lions, or definitely cheetahs. It sounds like they're faster than greyhounds, but they're not. And the spots on the legs. And the tail. The tail looks the longest on my picture. Normally they're not the longest on real giraffes. The spots on the face. Here you go, here's your giraffe. And I hope you like it. Please subscribe to my channel for more great videos like this one. And please subscribe to my channel. Again, I don't want to say that again. Bye. And remember, champions keep trying. Come on, press the button. 8, 8.